How to backup data in Telegram. If any day you are a Telegram user and you would like to back up your data in the Telegram but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and then launch the Telegram application on there by tapping Telegram there. After you tap on Telegram, Telegram will be launched on your very mobile device. Now, after Telegram is launched on your very mobile device, you have to go to the three lines on the top. After you go to the three lines on the top, you have to go to the option of the settings. After you tap on the option of the settings, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the option of the data and storage. After you tap on the option of the data and storage, now you can see an interface like this. Now after you see an interface like this, since we would like to back up our very Telegram, now what we have to do is we have to go to the option of the auto download settings. Otherwise, we can also go to the option of the proxy settings there, and we can see like this. Now after that, if we do not find any of the option, we can go to the option of the storage uses like this, and we can also check it. After that, you can go back once again and then go to the option of the data users and check all of those what is happening. Now after that, you have to just scroll down, and after you scroll down, you can see an interface like this. You can tap on the option of the chat settings like this. You have to make sure that all of your settings are okay. You can also go to the option of the chat folders here and then go to the three lines or the three dots on the top and then go to the option of backup there and backup and link it to any of your Google link or there to any of your mobile device there, and this way your Telegram will be backed up. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.